Hey, what's up? It's Coach Paul from Boys and Girls Club of Tampa Bay. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a German chocolate cake. Most of the recipes you can find pretty easily. The ones you're going to need for this recipe are 2 cups of sugar, 1 3/4 cups of flour, 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, and 1½ teaspoons of baking soda. I mixed them together. 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, 1 cup of buttermilk, a ½ cup of oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a cup of boiling water. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Line 2 round cake pans with parchment paper and then grease them. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to stir in your dry ingredients and stir in your wet ingredients in different bowls. Boil the water. Combine the wet and dry ingredients. Set your timer for 25 to 35 minutes. I would recommend going somewhere in between, not the whole way, in case you burn it. You can cook it, but you can't uncook it. While we have our cake in the oven, we're going to work on the frosting. What you're going to need are 3 large egg yolks, ½ cup of brown sugar, a ½ cup of regular granulated sugar, a ½ cup of butter, which is also just a whole butter stick. Make sure it's unsalted. 3/4 of a cup of evaporated milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 cup of pecans chopped, 1 cup of shredded coconut.